Yes, and welcome once again to another package, another range of Euroball Yarns from the House of Football Republic. This is not the matter we say we bring come based on say yes, everything we happen for Europe, we got to talk about. Welcome once again. My name is Timi, the pigeon commentator of the Federal Republic, and a inside studio with my guys, them, my goons, them. Yes, I get sexy Jo Vita, aka inside the studio.
Hello,
and the on and off Arsenal fan, he did inside here too. The big man himself, Laba Master, Buchi. No color, the Gunners man, Buchi, no color, Laba. And from there, Moku enter the matter. Start from Todd Boehly and in own guys them, in own goons them. We don't buy Chelsea as he concerned this matter. We hear say the Torino say they don't buy Chelsea for over 2.5 billion pounds, and they'll come use 1.7 billion pounds, 1.75 billion pounds to take restructure Chelsea and build maybe some things them investment for Chelsea. And that's why I mean say yes, this one and a part of waited Boehly. They carry come the man from America. Remember, he gets a sporting club too. That is a baseball team for Los Angeles, LA Dodgers. Yes, according to what we don't hear. But make us start with Buchi. The man watched the match against what's their name, Wolves.
Yes.
On Saturday, and then more or less then lose points.
Yep. 2
crucial points. But Moko first start with the buying of this Chelsea. And they don't talk say this man they to spend, because if you look the club when they from come, the American sports when they sponsor or when follow get money, MLB. They say Dodgers, LA Dodgers, right?
Yes,
LA Dodgers. You know, they spend money, Buchi. And we not say Abrahamovic now sugar daddy. Anything where you ask Abrahamovic, you go drop money. Now, Chelsea, they go gas to recalibrate their brain and start they think say, okay, this time around we gas to make profit, because this man, an American businessman, no be just oligarch from Russia.
Yep. See, I the Chelsea fans, where they change their mentality. From Piqué, we don't spoil. Where they
say money no day again.
Where they VI. Now, they go Ikorodu. They go down of Ikorodu.
Let's get money. The man get money.
The man get see. The players will see.
Ikorodu too poor.
No, what thing give?
Sorry to Ikorodu people though.
What thing give Chelsea that leverage now? See, I want which can get to love Chelsea.
Yeah.
He not just be owner, he be fan. Like he not just they do business. He won't win by all ways. Some businessmen fit to wait say, okay, if I don't win now, no worry, I go still win. But he make sure say he win every time they sack coach, they buy the best of players. Not be every owner get that mentality. Not that they negative, but the US people, their business structure they different. Good example, see Arsenal. Don't look Arsenal. I don't need to talk too much. Their business mind they different. Now, if they make money, then go spend money. If they don't make enough money, they don't go spend. They spend what they get, and what they get, they will tell like 20% what they get. So when Chelsea fans don't know, say, remember, now change of everything at Chelsea. Not be asked before, you go take me today. Chelsea go see they buy players, whether I would like them or not. But they're not going to buy that kind player what they expect.
97.5 million.
Money, like how they spend by Lukaku. How they spend by Kai Havertz. No, he not go to him anymore. I believe so, because guy, like you talk him, person know they change in own rate. He go fit for like 1 year or 2 years, but later you're back to where you come from. The trenches.
And Sexy Joe, Buchi talk about say you know go fit spend like the way Abrahamovic they spend. Hope say this one no go affect Chelsea in terms of some players now. You say if you sign new contract. Talk about Antonio Rudiger, and also talk about the man we then call Christensen. These players because of the Kwan way they don't sign new players. But as this man they come, he don't spend money to buy the club. Share now transfer window straight up you go enter, or more or less maybe just wait see how things go be first.
First and foremost, what you call a businessman.
Yes.
Definitely, you know the pedigree of Chelsea. You know how far this club side don't come since we say Roman Abrahamovic don't take over the club. You know, say Chelsea, it's all about spending and then they get results. So definitely, he go spend money to get money. The only thing we say, as new owners they come in now, everything go return back to normal. All those sanctions and everything where we say in terms of signing of player transfer, everything go return back to normal.
Yes.
The reason why he did like that for now, because of say Roman, they never still said the club like finally conclude everything. But this man, now him be the man when they don't earmark say now him go. Now him don't they don't sell then go sell the club too. So by the time when he spend that businessman. And you know, just fit buy club because you buy club that kind. Because I think if you buy that buy Chelsea with that Pogrenan ID, I think that the highest money where they don't ever use Colombia exactly. So in no waiting day, this club get pedigree. Now club of Timber to Caliber. So he know wetin dey. That businessman, he go spend money. They go spend money because he go want continue the tradition. Because if Chelsea go all this Champions League, go all this League Cup, them Boehly they enter. Then they win big Boehly. So if you be businessman and na money, because the reason why everybody hustles to buy Chelsea, he don't make name for himself.
Yes.
Chelsea don't make name. Chelsea is up there. So in order for you to get your return on top your investment, now to invest money, and already don't start by buying Colobin Chelsea first of all. You don't go and make the club go down like that because of say you don't want to spend money. Then go still spend money, spend even 100 million. Markham.
Back here. Hopefully we'll go there.
Okay.
Because you know the pedigree of Chelsea.
Mokusi as that matter go for Todd Boehly and in co-owners them we don't already buy Chelsea for over 2.5 billion pounds plus extra where they say they go invest 1.75 billion to take invest for the club. Most shares will go, but Buchi could go for inside the matter as still concern Chelsea. Like I talk when I start say them been draw their match against Wolverhampton Wanderers more or less then lose 2 points and nobody say then gain 1 point for that game because they made the lead by 2-0 before they allow Wolverhampton Wanderers equalize. Now the problem now say Arsenal can't win their match. Why they clap? Fake fan. The truth be say Arsenal win their match. Now you don't turn 1 point. Whether or not you like him, pressure go down on 2K right now.
Yes. Timmy, I told you
Told me waiting.
Say Arsenal they come on third plot. I tell you for this podcast.
Well done.
Say Arsenal they come for that third spot. Yes.
Can we move on?
I've been saying it from day one.
Can we move on?
Say me Chelsea they fear. And Chelsea fear did their mind. Just 1 point. The same games to go. The thing about Chelsea be say right now their confidence level they so down. You know why? Nothing much to play for. Because Chelsea don't look like say this is the way they come. They can't win league. They can't win Champions League. At the end of the day, the FA Cup final. Very big cup. But I think they wanted more. Expectation was too high. But now they can't reach them. So players they feel somehow. Like Chelsea still get the quality, but the energy.
No day.
I think right now they focus more on that FA Cup final. Then they should say they'll get that top 4. So they look down on the top 4. And Arsenal winning that more right now. They come back at them. From me, how may Arsenal get top 4? Okay. May get that third spot. But I know Arsenal too. So this one, their head took the touch. These are very two unfortunate teams. So are they very confident that go make top 4? But I'm not sure Arsenal will get that third. Chelsea right now go need to learn. They go play. They play Leeds. Leeds where they fight relegation. Leeds right now, everybody don't talk with them. The same point, I think so. No, the same point.
No. They pass Leeds United and Boehly by 1 point.
By 1 point. So Leeds go try at least win their match
Actually,
against
Leeds
Chelsea.
and Boehly did the same point.
This guy passed them with 35 points.
So more they see. So Chelsea again. Chelsea come.
Okay. But Sexy Joe, talking about Chelsea, yes, you don't say made them watch out, say Arsenal fi come. But the thing why they talk now say for Arsenal now, 1 point behind Chelsea and more or less another club, Tottenham Hotspur, still they behind it too. They fight for that 4th place. You want to say Ginger go deal for Mikel Arteta's side, say okay, now we don't get that advantage. We don't get better lead over Tottenham Hotspur. Even when they go meet Tottenham Hotspur, anytime when they meet for their outstanding match on Thursday, you won't expect say Arsenal go use their Ginger to finish well for this season.
You know, excuse me. The most important thing where they be say 2 of the top big teams will be say nobody expect them to win against Man United, Chelsea. Then do them. Then come back, then beat West Ham. Then come back apart from beating West Ham. They also make sure say then Colombia win yesterday as well to make sure say their waka continue against what be that team Leeds United. Now that 3rd position and 4th position, whether we like them or not, not till the end of the season, everybody go hustle. The 3 of them, including Chelsea, nobody go sit down, fold hands. But one thing be say the confidence level. You know, say sometimes confidence, ginger, they come from some kind things where be say they motivate person. And what to motivate this side of Arteta and the fact say nobody give them chance against Man United. Man United, not by small margin, 3-1. Nobody give them chance against Chelsea for Stamford Bridge.
4-2.
They beat them 4-2.
4-2.
West Ham United, they put them 2-1. Leeds United, they come be like say market 1-4 president small, but then get themselves then hold on for their life and we see how that one take end. Not enough ginger. And that is why that confidence level go still there by the time they go jam Tottenham Hotspur. Yes, Tottenham Hotspur under Conte. Chelsea for them. Even that 3rd position no sure for Chelsea, I tell you, until the end of the season, until the last game, until the final 90 minutes of the last game. Now Chelsea go even know whether that 3rd place will be their own or not. Because whether we like them or not, if they slip up, even Tottenham, if we push Chelsea come out for the top 4, check them now, calculate them. So anything fit happen, but for Mikel Arteta and him boys, I think they don't do the hard job. And for me, Tottenham Hotspur no supposed to be problem for Arsenal on Thursday.
Okay, more could see as it go be for Arsenal. More see whether they go fit. Keep up this ginger where they don't get to close the gap between them and Chelsea. Moku from there talk about the one we consign Manchester United and disgrace them. They don't do well at all because they lose 4-0, and that one na shameful result. Even Ronaldo at a point, they shake his head, say, no, this one no be at all. I don't know, Buchi, but it don't finish for Manchester United this season. They just need to fight for that Europa League spot. Finish.
Very crazy. When you consider their investments, them sign good players. Confirm money miss road.
Jadon Sancho.
Then sign good. When Sancho they are not even know. Then Ronaldo don't score 24 goals this season. On top anything. See, so the time you say now because say Ronaldo. Come man, you say that now why the other player no stay. I tell the person something say if any player no get motivation, inspiration, when you see Ronaldo for your team, then you know they fit to play professional football. Like at the age of 37, this man still they deliver, and the other players know they do so well. Then everybody Maguire said Maguire na problem. See if you're on. Plenty mistake. Still in the love. The problem with United, number one, like I talk about, they get problem for upstairs and then get problem also for the field of play. Structure no day. You dey see, I can't wait to when that guy, what do they call her? Right this coach, Randy come out. He go write book.
He dey go straight.
Randy go write book because I never see. This man nothing way to come out. Like if you look in eye, Baba, this guy get malaria and typhoid. Like he don't sick. Like he don't tire to talk to United players. He don't say okay. As he be like he say, anyone want play, who could I play? I no send again. Like the team right now, they in a bad state. They score. Don't know if you complain. You don't complain. They laugh. Oh boy, will be full-time comedy. It did very funny. What thing they happen at United? You know if you get plenty pogri, plenty money. Make I talk finish. You know we talk get plenty pogri, plenty money, and everything just used to day wrong. It did very, very, very sad. If they go through what the Arsenal go through, I can understand. Exactly. What they go through, not totally. So who come out? Alex Ferguson and one like all of them get out.
But I just want to add something, John Reid. First and foremost, for most people who think say Ronaldo they laugh the club or they laugh the players, no, that laugh now laugh of shock and belief. Say now we they shop this kind thing Manchester United, because a lot of people they misinterpret that in shaking of head and that laugh way laugh because the guy is shocked like. For team wide, they shop 4-0. You understand? So for Manchester United, but you don't talk everything where them fit talk for there. Ralf Rangnick no be the solution. Ronaldo no be the problem of Man United because the guy don't prove himself. He don't prove himself. Even when them been there Europe, they score goals. Even for inside the league, they score goals. The likes of and I see they talk about. I totally agree with Buchi. Then get some of the best players for inside league. So what will be the problem? Both the top and the bottom, even middle, everywhere na problem for that team, and until they settle them, that's why they go shop and next season.
Man, Bobrisky, the coach of Man U.
And from them, we enter the Italian Serie A. Talk about AC Milan and Inter Milan. The two of them, they chase the title. Inter Milan, for them, now they be the defending champion. But for AC Milan, they never win this title since 2010-2011 season. 11 years, not separate the last time we say they win this title, but chance there for them. 2 points, like they separate AC from Inter. And AC Milan, they 80 points, Inter Milan on 78 points. Two of them get games where we say they go play 2 games. Now remember for their 2 to play, and they will look how hard it is for them. AC Milan get Atalanta for home and also Sassuolo away, and Inter Milan gets Cagliari and also Sampdoria. I don't know Sexy Joe whether at their time it did, but Moku just check out their run of games for AC Milan. Moku start with AC Milan, Sexy Joe. Now they top of the table right now. Momentum more or less did their own side. They win their last match 3-1 for weekend. Their games where they go play now against Atalanta and against Sassuolo. Moku start from there. They figure 6 points here.
Possible 6 points. They figure 3 points because a team like Atalanta, a team like Sassuolo. Because we don't see these teams shock some kind of teams this season, and anything will happen for that game. They might just get it against Sassuolo, but Atalanta, I doubt. Atalanta will give them very tough time.
Tough time, Buchi, for Atalanta against AC Milan. You know, agree?
Nah, no agree.
You know, agree because
AC day house for Atlanta game.
No, Atalanta na them day house.
Then they house Atlanta game. Then they away for Sassuolo game. So that home advantage go count for them. AC Milan don't go away against Fiorentina. That match I be the battle. Beat Fiorentina 1-0. Don't talk about the AC Milan team. You say them they put in extra these boys they fight. That match where they win 2-1, kudos. I went to Nali score 2 goals. He also scored their match to their last match against Verona. This team right now, everybody won't win. Don't forget AC Milan to be appointed this Ralf Rangnick. Remember, was it 2 years ago? They appointed Ralf Rangnick. When they go, what Pioli do? They tell Ralf Rangnick, bye. They go. We don't want you again. They see the future, but now things they go. AC Milan, see, I like this team because most players they play with them. Most players now squad players for other teams.
Yeah.
Fikayo, Tomore. Now, one of the best. Tomori. Best. Fikayo, they play ball, I say tomorrow, no day. Only Giroud, their top goal scorer. Yeah. This guy, they play ball, I say tomorrow, no day. That guy, they call Seleman Kalas. I think that guy name. That guy, they play confirm ball. So, when they see the bench, let's go Madrid. Now, on Saturday, they play with Carabia. So, most of their teams, now bench players. But now, they come play. Like, see, they show you, say, so kind of time, spend money, but if you spend money with sense, all players now professional football players, all of them. I
still think that
if someone with sense, he make a lot of. See, I like how them bring Ivan Gazidis. Gazidis Qatar Arsenal. Qatar Arsenal. Congo Milan right now. Now him they start this. Now him don't do this. Now him fight. Make Pioli day. Say Pioli they do well. More no appoint. More no bring Ralf Rangnick come. And right now they stick to Pioli. As long as no problem, they appoint Sidorf. Gattuso, all of them, the Milan legend, Inzaghi, but now Pioli don't do the work for them. Guy, you just need a manager where you go trust and he go deliver. Man, you learn from them.
But I still feel say it go still go down to the wire.
Yes,
obviously.
Because if you look at the
fixture,
Cagliari, they go play Cagliari when they fight for relegation.
Exactly.
And Sampdoria.
So
you go down to the wire like Sexigio talk. I agree with Sexigio 100%. And also, what would you talk about it and give the coach time purely to do something with this squad? That one you guys to give and
that one also shows say sometimes you don't write off players. We see what in the likes of Olivier Giroud do for Chelsea. Exactly. Yeah, Chelsea no still see the good side of the guy. They no still feel say exactly. Then can run sharply offload and go buy Lukaku. Afia Koha market for president.
Thank you. From there, we could go inside the Naija Star players for the week. And on the menu for today, we get Alex Iwobi. We also get the man what they call Cyril Dessers. And also Moses Simon. Alex Iwobi gets help goal. We help Everton to win their match against Leicester City. Talk about Cyril Dessers. We scored 2 goals for Feyenoord against the PSV. Moses Simon.
Oh,
Daddy. He win cup. For inside France, Coupe de France with Nantes. Make I start with Buchi.
I like as it will be the play. But the right wing back he play. Right wing back go.
You know is it not better than sitting on the bench?
No, I like him.
And he's been
he don't play everywhere.
Marvelous contributions.
Yes, he don't play everywhere. Midfield or winger. Now right wing back. Okay, I like I say they play, but you know say. This player, when you play in two position, now you confused. Like, it won't be an kind of confused player in the first place. But now he they play well for himself. So I'm very, very happy for him. But one man I'll give, he has to be Moses Simon. It has to be Moses Simon. Simon winning the Coupe de France with Nantes when they beat Nice for that final. And he play a good game. This now man would say, they like him on France. So those fans then love him there because he be workaholic right there. So it has to be him. Like for winning trophy, it's not easy. For league, we say they get Hush Puppy team. Nah.
And Cecilio will be your star man.
I go definitely go with Daddy Simon. Simon. I want to also recognize this guy they call Cyril Dessers. He done they do well.
2 goals, 2 late goals against
apart from the goals where he
PSV.
Score against PSV. This guy don't they score now.
Yeah.
So even the coach they so impressed with his performance and they don't even talk say rather than go finally give her more contracts, so that I go stay for the club for a long time. Yeah, exactly. So whether they will give us, so I go stay with them because it they ginger. And I like the fact saying Nigerian players they impress well for, especially this season. We don't see a lot of revelation. We don't even know say they get them for body before. We don't they see them, and they're very crucial to our own national team. They say we know they go World Cup, but Daddy Simon, fantastic one. Ever since he waka from Shena Levante. Levante waka come Nantes. He done the. In fact, he's been marvelous.
Thank you. Okay, from there, Moku Eta face me, I face you. Today we talk about Pep Guardiola. We come out to talk, say, as it be, say everybody for inside of England, they support Liverpool to win this title. But plus media, plus fans, plus even everybody where they follow Chuk Eye for football, say everybody, journalists them, that they support Pep Guardiola or Jurgen Klopp to win this title. And my people them here, I don't know where they did, but make I start with Buchi. What do you think?
Not lie. Who know Liverpool? Nobody know their history. He paused. They got their history again. So nobody support Liverpool. People they support everybody. Pep now because him be so loser. him be so loser. That now why in the talk now everybody spoil Liverpool because the champions they go in Jabo come out now. They gonna feel like saying don't lose. Now come on him be now move away him be. Now be every pot sport Liverpool. Arsenal fans be full there. Chelsea fans be full. Making mind the way that league. You know go win now.
That's true. That's true in talk, and I feel in pain.
It's not Liverpool.
I support. I
support.
Make the best person win.
Yes,
but the fact is, a lot of people get one kind.
Not speak for people, speak for yourself.
A lot of people from my observation.
Opening statement.
Everything Pep do, people go frown. Now, them believe say this guy. Yes, people believe say this guy. Any club where he go, he must go big club. If the club no get money, no go.
But now he don't win Premier League.
I dey ask you. No, he don't go Bayern. People say because he no get
Champions League.
He no spend money, he no win Champions League. He come England. They say don't spend 200 million pounds. Wait now. Say he spend 200 million pounds.
More than 200.
Even more than self.
You dey like you can't speak for football fans.
Why can't I speak?
Why?
It's so obvious now.
Just
it's obvious.
How?
People are always against Pep.
Are you kidding me? How?
Yes,
for
I
Premier
am
League.
kidding you. Not for Premier League. Fans all over. I don't see when you read up. You go. People they always talk say this man go here. They say the only place where they work from now Barcelona.
Exactly.
How can you say that about a coach?
Exactly.
Coach when because you don't win Champions League, you begin the judge am. Say hey, they spend money, you know they win anything.
No break out.
That's very very wrong. And the truth is, your club don't win the hearts of even non-Liverpool fans.
Because it's not good money.
He don't win the fans of non-Liverpool fans. He manage him. He bring in players. What we say, people now they even wonder say how this man take
this guy they do emotional disclaimer, emotional dismay, emotional betrayal.
And don't forget
emotional blackmailing they do.
Don't forget say Liverpool get some English players inside that team.
Thank you very much, the panel.
If you don't support them, I support them.
Argumentators.
Carry go.
And my people, Naija will end the matter for Inside Euroball Yarns for this week. Remember, say if you subscribe to our channel for Inside YouTube and Football Republic NG. Republic with the K, 9BD handle for Inside YouTube.
It's not a failure.
And also follow us everywhere.
Champions, how many years?
Okay, guys, you don't do. I go give him a red card.
In how many years? In how many? Will they give you back up now? In how many years?
Now here we go. Any mess. Where they don't. Now here we go end the matter. May I remember to follow us on top all our social media, both for Twitter and Instagram. Football Republic, for Inside Instagram, and also the Republicans for Twitter, and also subscribe to this our channel, Football Republic NG on top YouTube, and click the notification button so that when we upload our videos, you're gonna get one by follow and shapa on top that matter. Until I turn Naija again next time, and I do well and enjoy the rest of all the videos with the on top of Football Republic.
Fair weather fan.
Bring
Bring down your hand.
Football Republic.